got a special Let's Do Something for you today. We're going to do a Let's Cook. We're going to make a steak. We're going to have a side of veggies. It's going to be pretty good. So I hope you're ready to just dive right in. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is garbage. Get that off the stove. You don't want garbage on your stove. So you can see we got two pans here. My iron skillet. I got some veggies. Yeah, it's not super fresh, but I just needed a little bit. These are supposed to be for kebabs, but I want to cook them up with some asparagus, really give us something else to go with. And then the aforementioned asparagus, a little bit more expensive than buying a bunch, but I don't need that much. Also, on special, I'm not even sure. Oh, good. New York strip, my favorite steak. How did I not recognize that? Anyways, we're all cooking one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the vegetables into this pan here. You see there's some oil in there. This has been seasoned with some chicken. I've been making chicken like every night. But we're going to put a little bit more oil in here, and we're going to put some bacon grease in here as well. So that way we get a little bit more flavor. And then we're going to go ahead and season it. So let me go ahead and get that started. Vegetable oil, vegetable oil, gonna do some vegetable oiling. Just really gonna dice this all up real quick, get it going, not really paying attention. Slice and dice. So we're gonna do this. Get a nice little veggie trail going. That sounds horrible. Now I like my steak to cook with mushrooms, but I'm going to slice these mushrooms up, get a little more flavor in here. Stuff flying everywhere. That's the kind of chef I am. Let's get another one. There we go. There's all diced together, all nice and neat like that. You were probably just watching my back. Now, dump it into the pan. Into the frying pan. Alright. We're going to turn this one on. Actually, we're going to do the back. We're going to put this on a medium high. We're going to take this asparagus and grab some seasoning. Now, a couple things to do while this is on high is we're going to throw a bunch of Tonys in here. Alright. We're going to take some French fry seasoning. I love it. We're going to put that all over it, right? That's good. We're going to take a little bit of cinnamon. A little cinnamon never hurt anyone, right? Alright? Alright. Just get it going. Nice, nice. Alright. I want a little garlic. Let's put some of that in there. Alright. And oregano. Okay. That's good. Now that's cooking. We're going to do very similar with the asparagus. The asparagus is going to get it. You know what I forgot? Black powder. You know what I forgot was black pepper. So whereas the French fry seasoning is really just a lot of salt, black pepper mixed in with there is good. And then, now it is swimming. Now it is swimming in vegetable oil, but a little olive oil over the top is always good. We're going to do this very similar onto this. There's that. Here's this. Don't need as much, because it's going to pull a lot of that flavor out from the other ones. I'm going to put a little garlic in here. You can see this is a lot, right? Just gonna chuck it all right in there and coat it again. Now, the nice thing about doing that is our steak will actually get that from the cutting board. So we're gonna take one steak out. Take this little buddy right here.
I'm not your buddy, guy.
And throw that on there. We're gonna turn this on. Turn the front burner on. Actually, lower this to a medium while it's boiling there. The front burner on. We're going to get a whole bunch of butter, right? That's gonna go in here. Butter in the pan, right? Then we're gonna take butter and we're gonna throw it on the side here. And you'll see in a minute why. There we go. We're gonna take our seasonings. That's too much. Let's just put a drizzle on here. Drizzle on the back. Really just rub it in, right? Okay. We're gonna do the same with the garlic. We're gonna take some oregano. Put that in there. Both sides. Covering that baby up. French fry seasoning. Ooh, too much, but get both sides. If you get too much, you can always rub it off, but you know, who cares? So, we got just about everything I normally put on here. So let's get the Tonys. We're gonna put that in. And then we're gonna get quite a bit of pepper in here. So we're gonna get this pepper, black pepper. That's all of our seasoning. Now we're gonna take this butter and just rub this in here, right? Yeah, get it right in there. So that's gonna be real good. Massage it in, you know, give it a little work, right? We're gonna flip her. We're gonna rub it in again. Just really work it, right? There it is. Right there, right into its joints. You can give it a second to soak. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Oh, okay. So, you see the butter just needs to get spread around here. Now we're gonna take the steak. We're gonna drop that steak right in here. Ooh, that pan's a little small. Yeah. Just right. We're gonna let it cook for a minute, and we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna cook it for another minute. Alright, now it's been grilling for about a minute or so. Oh! Losing it. My hand, I didn't dry my hands very well or get all the butter off. So look at that. Nice. Let it go for another minute. Clean this up. Let's flip it again. So you can hear it all really cooking right now. Go ahead and flip her again. Remove some of the vegetables in with the steak. Not a whole lot, just enough to kind of get those juices around it. Next bit, very important. I know it's a little late to the show, but you get bacon grease on this thing. Right, just a little bit. Let it really get in there. Alright? Okay. Now that it's in, you're gonna flip it. Alright? Yeah. I'm gonna pour a little bit more bacon grease on here. That was a lot of bacon grease. So this is going to give it a bacon flavor, which I don't know if you guys are aware of this. Bacon is the best flavor you can have. So let's go ahead, flip her again. Alright. So that's starting to smell good. I'm going to grab a steak knife, we're going to cut into it. I'm going to go ahead and cut in. I want to make sure that it's red, not too red. And that is goddamn perfect. So let's go ahead and yank her out. So, this is perfect. You're going to go ahead and pull it out. Flip it one more time just to, yeah, there we go. You can see it's got that dark on it. So there we go. I'm going to get all this. Woo. Put this all on top. I don't know why I'm still holding that knife. I don't know why I'm doing this the hard way. So we're going to let these little veggies here kind of dry out on top of it. We'll move it a little bit closer. We're going to move it over here. I'm going to put all this onto here. Not all of it, just a nice healthy supply. There is no presentation here, as you can tell. It just about is all of it. Yeah, we're just going to put all of it on. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today, so I didn't get ready for work until 2 minutes to. I didn't eat on my lunch break because I was with clients, so we're just going to eat all of this because I'm a fatter. Alright. So this is done. This is a good meal. Easy to make. Honestly, it cost probably about $30 total, and that was because the steaks were 17 something, 17.44. Actually, I would say it was about $20 total. So let me grab a fork, and I want to take a bite out of this thing. We're gonna start with the steak and see how it goes from there. Cuts very easy, but these are new knives, so maybe. Oh my! Holy crap! I need another bite. It's so good. Here. You can kind of see it there. It's red. It's not too red. It's just dripping in ooze. Oh my god. Oh my god. I should have chewed that longer. It was too big of a swallow. That's what she said. Oh man. Asparagus is great. So that was just great. I'm really impressed with how this turned out. I don't think I've ever cooked it in an iron skillet, not like this. I don't think I've ever really seasoned steak as much as I did, but God, every flavor just, oh, it's so good. It's very tender. It is the, I don't want to say it's the best steak I've ever had in my life, but it is definitely the best steak I've ever made in my life. Definitely one of the best I've ever had in Michigan. So yeah, no, this is great. With it just being a cheap beef ripoff. I mean, this thing's supposed to be $30 for the 3 steaks, and it was $17.44 for 3 steaks because it is going to go bad. I'm going to throw it in some Ziplocs and save it. But Jesus, this is good. Honestly, if you take it and you go $17 divided by 3, you're looking, you know, what, $6, just about $6 a steak, which is really good. Those are pretty sizable, 1-inch thick New York strip. For the veggies, it was $2 for the shish kebab tray and $2 for for this. So I mean, you're looking $10. $10 plus the seasoning you have at home. Great deal. Wonderful deal. Go buy it now. You can't get it because it's not on sale anymore. I bought the last one. Alright. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Send me a recipe. I will do it. Tell me what you want to see next. If you want me to build something, it's been a while. Maybe that ottoman needs to get built. Let me know in the comments, in the link below. There's no link below. Let's go from there. You like me yet?